Now, what we have to study is the relation between ethics, values, moral, and norms that we have to study. Now, let us study one by one because don't have together, no need to together. If you study, you will be confused. Now, I'll see first the relation between ethics and values. So, ethics already we have studied. Just just to see, just will have one glance. Ethics, you know that ethics is the science of morals. So it is set of moral choices, rules and codes of conduct that governs our behavior. You know that it's a moral science we say. So it is even we can call it ethics as a branch of philosophy also because human character and conduct is very much found in this. Human morals, we can distinguish them. What is right and wrong? So, how we can distinguish? Because we are guided. Our ethical conduct conforms with what a group or a society considers right behavior. So, we can say ethics is a set of ethics is a set of moral choices, rules and rules, code of conduct that governs our behavior. You can see here, ethics is a set of all these morality, then responsibility, then trust, behavior, principles, relationship, choice, and the reliability. So many all other good things are there. In theoretically, ethics it is sometimes called normative ethics because it discovers and delineates right from wrong. It considers how we develop rules and principles which are very much important to judge and they have to guide in taking meaningful decision. You know that here we are studying business ethics. So in the business ethics, here decision making is very important. We need to take the decisions. Theoretical ethics plays supreme role in, in exhibiting intellectual character. It is a we say that it is a branch of philosophy. That's why it is rational in nature also. Theoretical ethics there reflect their rationality in finding out what is right and what is wrong, what is just and what is unjust, what is good and what is bad in terms of human behavior. Very important it is because whatever now being taking place, they're all because of human behavior. Even what we find nowadays, COVID 19, because of human behavior. As per one of the sources, we heard that all the viruses they are what they are there now. They are released from the one of the laboratories of Wuhan, China. So because this is also behavior, human behavior. How if it is very if human behavior is bad, obviously whole society is will be in danger. If it is very good, good moral is there, obviously all will be benefited. So ethics, how by they help us the to mold or to turn or to change the human behavior. And you know that business ethics, and these business ethics can also be called as corporate ethics. They are applied ethics, and they can also be called as professional ethics because they examine the ethical principles and moral or ethical problems that arise in a business environment. Right? Here, ethical principles and moral or ethical problems that arise in business environment. Because in the business environment is to be created. In that, what all ethical problems comes, it examines and it applies. Not only examines, it applies all aspects of business conduct, and it's relevant to the conduct of individuals and entire organizations behavior. So the rules and regulations, they are called norms. They are expected to exhibit good behavior or good atmosphere in the organization. So we have studied about the ethics in the previous videos and all this, or in the previous classes we can say. Now just we'll see what are the values. What are the values? Just we'll have a just here glance here. Values are basic and fundamentals. They guide or motivate attitudes or actions. These are the basic why, because we learn values right from our childhood. When we are born, we learn with our own atmosphere, our family atmosphere. We learn from friends, we learn from our beliefs, we learn from neighbors, parents, even teachers. So, what all surroundings we have, from that we learn. By that, our value develops. So, what we can say here is these are very important for the development of ethics. Right? We know that values are basic and fundamental. They are basic and even very necessary also. They guide or motivate our attitudes or actions. They help us to determine what is important to us. They describe the personal qualities we choose to embody to guide our actions. So, see, always our actions are guided by our values. These are the sort of persons we want to be. What kind of person we want to be. These are decided by our values. The manner in which we treat ourselves, that is also depends on our value. And we treat others, that also depends on our values. What we have already developed. So if you respect others, means it you are will be called as very cultured one. And in the class also, in the group also, among the students also, always if you wish your teachers and all this, they are not going to gain anything. But you are showing your attitude. It shows your value. What kind of atmosphere you are born and brought, or what kind of atmosphere you are growing. It shows. Even if you wish your teachers, they are not going to gain anything. Only they may get pleasure or they may be pleased. That's all. But it it gives us lots of things, and we see we can bring the changes in the life. And so the attitude of the students or the value of the students can be judged how they behave with the elders. Always, not only the students, even other places also. So behavior, how you do, how you respect your parents, how you respect your elders, teachers, like society, how you are respected in the society. Based on that, your value will be decided, right? They provide the general guidelines for our conduct. All the values, they give us general guidelines how we have to be there. Sometimes if we are not correct also, our behavior is rude also, we think we are correct. So because we are born and brought up in that atmosphere, so it is like that. So we can say values are identifying what is good, desirable, or worthwhile. All the values are motives behind our purposeful action. What action we do, behind that our values will be there. They are the ends to which we act and come in many forms. We are coming in different forms, right? You are student in the college, you are daughter or son at home, you may be sister or brother for your this one, juniors or seniors, friends to your friends. We are coming in different forms. In different forms, how we behave, that all guided by the values. Personal values are personal beliefs about right and wrong, and may or may not be considered as moral. It is they are so personal values what we have. These are personal beliefs about some right and wrong, right? So always values of all the persons will not be same. Sometimes we can say superstitious beliefs. Uh, for some it is correct, but for some it is not correct. We cannot correct others because it is their belief. Based on that, their action will be there. Their action or the behavior they conduct, like that it will be there. So it affects, even it may or may not be affecting others, but their values, they behave, they what action they do, it all depends on their belief. Even sometimes we have in religious or societal belief will be there, right? Religious belief. So many religious beliefs are there. That's why, because these are, it is like independence. Your beliefs, you can develop your own beliefs. You can give values to them. So they are considered as values. So you will not be disturbed. You cannot be disturbed also. Because here in India also we have so many religious belief. We have so many we have caste, creed, race, so many things we have. Obviously, their religious beliefs and all this, there will be difference. All the religious, they don't have single belief or same belief. Obviously, we cannot disturb the others. Because of their belief, they behave. I don't want to tell anything about the religious and all this because no need of that. But we have to think first. We are human beings. So religious, all this comes later. And religious also not important because only we cannot identify ourselves in the big group. That's why just we are identify ourselves in small group. That is in our religious group. So instead of that, identifying only in your particular religious group, better you come out of that and identify. You make your identification in the whole group. Nowadays, nationalism does not have any value. Everything is internationalism because whole world has become smaller because of the innovation, technology, and all this. So now we can travel any place within no time. That's why nowadays internationalism has got priority. That's why LPG is there. Liberalization, privatization, globalization is there. Because you know that why LPG is there. Main objective was just to remove unequal distribution of means and sources. But actually, what is being taking place, we don't know. Okay, let it be. Now, how we have to see how ethics and values are connected. Without values, we cannot think of ethics. Values are essential to ethics because ethics are concerned with human actions, and the choice of the actions are concerned with values. Ethics evaluates those actions and the values that underlie them. It determines which value should be pursued and which shouldn't. So, so many things are there. Value, take for example, you take courage. Those who are courageous, they may be willing to stand up for what they believe, even in this face of strong condemnation. Courage is a moral value when it deals with the right or wrong conduct. There's a guts we can say. Courage we can consider as a moral value. So those who are strong, they can stand up. But others leave. This is strong moral value. Value specifies the relationship between a person and a goal. When goal will be there or set objective will be there, what relationship the persons are having. It is rational in the sense that what one person values may not be what another person values in the same situation. Right? Same situation, if it is given, we are going to get different opinions. People opine in the different ways because values are different. All of us are having different kinds of values. Even you can say controversy, so many things are there in the international relationship because of this COVID-19. See, so even this coronavirus is called China virus in America because they say that China people are, yeah, responsible for this spread of corona, or even they say they only developed in the laboratory and they're spreading. But other countries may be having different opinion about this. So all this always we cannot say that all the opinions are same or values are same because it is developed be- uh, based on their own values. So what you can say is a person who values honesty might have the visual on financial wrongdoing by superiors. Who values loyalty may remain silent. If you see in the organization and all this, always organization expect loyalty from the employees. If the employer does any mistake, then being loyal person, he has to shut the mouth. So he doesn't do anything. Even it is unethical, but the value is like that. So the loyal person may believe in the importance of keeping one's confidence. Confidence, if it is keeping kept, what importance they are going to get or the other person enjoys. So it may be the reason like that. Even you can say some values stand up well over the last test of time. Some values they stand up well over the test of time. They are always good or rightful behavior. Always good or rightful behavior. If they meet the whatever norms, rules, or regulations are made, if they are met by the organization, then they will be considered as good organization or good company, whatever it may be. It is, but it is difficult to imagine having a satisfying relationship without them because they build trust in relationship. They always expect something good behavior. For example, if a criminal want to do harm to your friend, he comes and knocks your door. If the criminal wants to harm your friends, he comes and knocks the door, right? So if the friend inside the room, if she is asked about the friend, then what she has to answer? If she answers no, no problem, because one person's life is saved here, right? Even though it is may not be correct, but if you want to save your friend or not to harm your friend, you have to say no to the person or criminal, right? So always we can say values and ethics, they are going together. Values and ethics, they are central to any organization. In any organization, if you want to be there in the work smoothly, or if you want to get the benefit, or you want to achieve the organization objective, they have to go together. Behave ethically is to behave in a manner that is consistent with what is generally considered to be right or moral. Moral. Ethical behavior is a bedrock for mutual trust. So, how do values relate to ethics, and what do we mean by ethics? They are very much attached to each other. So that's why we have to consider values in the organization, because they play a very important role in the organization or taking decisions. Always here, yeah, maybe in the individuals or in the organization, values determine what is right and what is wrong, and doing what is right or which is and what is right. So to behave ethically is to behave manner consistent with the what is right or what is moral. Maybe organization, maybe an individual to some extent. They have to see that. That's why we can in the organization we can say that we have to follow the ethical values. All values are followed in the organization. Values are followed by the individual and in the organization. Those, because we have to arrive at a here good ethics. So then obviously they can be termed as ethical values, right? So these are always, without the ethics, values will not be considered. We know that we have to follow good ethics in the organization. Good ethics are to be followed means there we have to show values, positive values in our attitude. If positive values are not there within the individual or in the organization, then we cannot expect. So these together, ethics as well as values together, they are called ethical values, which are to be followed in the organization for the smooth conduct of the business, because we are studying business ethics. So that to be followed, then only the we can take fair decision, because we make so many rules, norms are there, regulations are there, but how you are going to expect or accept. So these all depends on the values of the individual or an organization. So these are very important. Even though we say they are going hand in hand, without the ethics, there will not be any value for the values in the organization. So obviously they have to go together. Apart from that, we find some difference between ethics and the values. So what are those? Let us see. The ethics are set of moral principles. Already we have studied it at the beginning. Set of moral principles, especially they are relating to the specified group. They are very much related to specified group, maybe organization, maybe to the college, or to the family, or to the field, or it may be a form of conduct. But principles or the standards of behavior is called values. What principles are there, or what standard is there for our behavior, whatever is the standard, because I told you values are developed right from the birth. We learn from friends, we learn from family, neighbors, all this, because that's why they are guided by that. So they form the standard for us. Then we can say ethics are professional. Ethics are to be, they are professional, but values are personal. These are not here developed in the organization. Right from our birth, it is being developed. We learn from our surroundings values. But their ethics are professional because always your decision making it is very much dealing with. So it helps to develop the profession, business. If it is very good, positive. All the ethics are influenced by different professions, organizations, institutions, etc. I told you, ethics, they are supported by psychology, there's a philosophy, and so many things are there. Group goals, so they are supported by different professions. Accounts will be there, marketing will be there, sociology you can take, law you can take. So various fields are supporting ethics. But values are influenced by family. They are usually they are influenced because when we are born, we are there in the family. Influenced by family background, culture, what culture we have, we follow, what religious practice we do, and what kind of community we are there. So all these are influencing our values. And ethics can be changed always because it differs from organization to organization or profession to profession. In the business, what ethics we follow need not be followed in the medical field. So, in the other fields also, what ethics followed in the engineering field need not be followed in the any small trading concerns. So always the ethics are, they are different. They are differ from organization to organization because they are based on the nature and features of business or the profession we can say. But values, they vary from individual to individual. They cannot be varied. Individual or a person, he cannot vary his values from organization to organization. But values in the individuals, it is different from person to person. What values I have may not be same values you have. Your values are different, my values are different, because in what family, what background I am having is different, you are having is different. Obviously, we are not born and brought up in the same atmosphere, same family. Obviously, there will be difference in the values, what you are considering as a good or bad, right? So take for example in Rajputs and all this wearing burqa is uh, it's a fair for them, but I don't. For me, it is not fair. I don't feel like to wear that. So you cannot compare me with the Rajputs and all this because it's my life. It's their life. My feeling is different. Theirs is different. So we cannot compare. Also, we cannot compare here because it is their freedom. So this like this. So there are so many differences that will I will give in the notes. Okay, just understand this. Until then, I will depart each one another. Thank you. Thank you.